Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zack D film video in Blender. First, launch Blender and select General for a new project. Next, import your desired video clips or three-dimensional assets. Ensure your render settings are optimized for a cinematic look, perhaps using cycles or Eevee with appropriate samples. This foundational setup is crucial for achieving that distinctive visual style. Now, let's focus on the camera. Create a new camera and place it strategically to capture powerful perspectives. Animate its movement with keyframes, ensuring a fluid, dynamic path that enhances the storytelling. For those signature dramatic moments, apply slow-motion effects to specific sections of your animation, emphasizing key actions or details. Lighting is paramount for a cinematic feel. Implement a three-point lighting setup to give your subjects depth and definition. Consider adding volumetric lighting or subtle fog effects to create a rich, atmospheric environment. Fine-tune your world settings, perhaps using an H-dry, to complement the scene's mood and ensure consistent illumination throughout your film. For the final touches, dive into color grading. Use Blender's compositor to apply post-processing effects, adjusting contrast, saturation, and color balance to achieve that distinctive cinematic palette. Once satisfied, render your final video in a high-quality format like ProRes or H.264, ensuring your masterpiece is ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.